Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn Catia V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.
Course Introduction. This course is 100% free for mechanical engineers only. What are you waiting for? Enroll now and get certified. The objective of this course is to get you introduced to Catia V5. After completing this course, you will understand what is Catia V5, why learn Catia V5, how to start and exit Catia V5, how to create and close files in Catia V5, how to open and close Catia V5 files, how to orient 3D models in Catia V5, how to zoom, pan, and rotate in Catia V5, the rendering styles in Catia V5.